We all love animated movies and it has evolved immensely over the last decade. Welcome to my channel Watch Nonstop, and today we are going to count down top 10 animated movies of all time. Number 10 we have Abominable. This movie was released in 2019, produced by DreamWorks and Pearl Studio. I love the plot and the message this movie sends. This movie is about a girl named Yi, an introvert teen who discovers a Yeti, which is a mystical creature, on the roof of her building. She then starts on an adventurous journey with two of her friends to reunite the magical creature to his family. The film focuses on its visual dazzle and its sensitivity towards nature and underlines the importance of family, friendship, and teamwork. This is one of the best animated movies I have seen in 2019. On number 9 we have Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. This movie was released in 2018, produced by Columbia Pictures and Sony Pictures Animation in association with Marvel. Till now, we have seen multiple Spider-Man movies, but this one is the Spider-Man's first animated movie. Into the Spider-Verse is a highly inventive, unique, and stimulating experience. For such an overfamiliar character, somehow this feels original and entirely new. It utilizes the concept of multiple realities, where it is quite similar to our own but slightly different. Soon, he meets the alternative version of himself and gets involved in an epic battle to save multiverse. On number 8 we have The Croods. This movie was released in 2013, produced by DreamWorks Animation. The Croods is an animated comedy about a Stone Age family. Never not be afraid, that's Grug's motto, the lead of the family. Grug Crude's brute strength and hunting skills have helped his family survive over the years, a tight-knit unit living in a cave. Their life is thrown out of gear with the arrival of a Guy Reynolds, a drifter who believes the end is coming. The Crude has a wonderful message of courage and celebration of adventure at its core. It reminds us to always follow the light. On number 7 we have Finding Nemo. This is one of the oldest movies in my list, but still one of my favorites. This movie was released in 2003, produced by Pixar Animation Studio. Pixar has one of the most advanced animation technology in the world, but they never forget that what matters most in a movie is the story, character, imagination, and the heart. After his son gets abducted from the Great Barrier Reef and is dispatched to Sydney, Marlene, a meek clownfish, enlists the help of a forgetful fish and embarks on a journey to bring him home. The animation has the depth of ocean itself. The adventure is both fun and fulfilling. On number 6 we have Tangled. This movie was released in 2010, produced by Walt Disney Animation Studio. Rapunzel, a naive and young girl, is locked away by her overprotective mother. Her wish to escape into the world outside finally comes true when she meets the good-hearted thief Flynn. Tangled is a typical Princess Disney movie, but what stands out the most is how it carries humor in the entire movie, especially the Maximus character who is the police horse. Overall, it's an action-packed movie complete with a super cop horse, an overprotective chameleon, and a gang of pup thugs. On number 5 we have The Lion King. Who doesn't know Lion King? This movie was released in 2019, produced by Walt Disney Pictures. It is a remake of Disney's traditionally animated 1994 film of the same name. When the royal lion cub Simba is born to Queen Sarabi and King Mustafa, animals in the forest rejoice of having a new year. But their joy is short-lived when Mustafa dies trying to save little Simba's life. Feeling guilty for being the cause of father's death, Simba runs away from the forest. And then his evil uncle Scar takes over the throne. The Lion King is certainly worth a watch for its gorgeous visual and technical genius. On number 4 we have Despicable Me. This movie is a 2010 computer animated comedy film produced by Illumination Entertainment. After first movie, 2 more sequels were released, but my favorite is the first one. Gru, a criminal mastermind, adopts 3 orphans as pawns to carry out the biggest heist in the history. His life takes an unexpected turn when the little girls see him as their potential father. All Gru ever wanted was to be history's #1 supervillain with his cool gadgets and the army of minions. What makes this movie awesome is the 3 adorable little girls and obviously the minions. On number 3 we have Madagascar. This movie was released in 2005 and produced by DreamWorks Animation. This movie will keep you entertained from starting to the end. So 4 spoiled animals from New York Central Zoo escapes with an unintentional help of 4 fugitive penguins. They subsequently find themselves in Madagascar amidst happy lemurs. This movie has awesome character build-up with a brilliant comic sense and music. On number 2 we have Kung Fu Panda. The first movie in this franchise was released in 2008 and produced by DreamWorks Animation. After that, 2 more films were released. Kung Fu Panda is an action comedy animated film. When Po the Panda, a kung fu enthusiast, gets selected as the Dragon Warrior, he decides to team up with the Furious Five and destroy the evil forces that threaten the Valley of Peace. It has elegantly drawn action sequence with full of energy. On number 1, we have How to Train Your Dragon. This movie was released in 2010 and produced by DreamWorks Animation. This is one of the most breathtaking animated films of all time. Hiccup, a Viking, must kill a dragon to mark his passage into manhood and be initiated into his tribe. However, he ends up doing exact opposite by befriending a deadly night fury. It's spectacular, particularly when coupled with fire-breathing dragons flying around a colorful fictional island. The script is really good and has a lot of dramatic depth. The movie is for everyone. Adults and kids will enjoy it equally and will love it at the end.